Hello, good morning parents, good morning kids. How are you today? Well, I hope that you are fine. Well, as usual, I'm going to send you our reading tutorial for this week, both in English and Indonesia. And of course, we will start from the words and go to the sentences. Okay, let's start the words first from English. Number one, ave, cave. Number two, ain, lane. Number three, ein, pine. Number four, ite, right. Number five, os, hose. Number six, oak, bow. 7, oak, joke. Number 8, all, mole. Number 9, all, hole. Number 10, op, rope. Well, now we will go to read the sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, let's start from number 1. Number 1. Wait a minute, sorry. Number 1. He saves the cape. Number 2. She plays the game near the gate. Number 3. Mike has 9 limes. Number 4. He hides 5 bikes. Number 5. The bone is on the rose. Number 6. He tells good joke. Number 7. I poke the pillow. Number 8. The soul is small. Number 9. I want more toys. Number 10. I am bored. Well, that is for English. Now we go to Bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1. Omo. Nyet. Monyet. Nomor 2. Upu. Anya. Punya. Nomor 3. Usu. Ini. Sunyi. Nomor 4. Anya. Ini. Nyanyi. Nomor 5. Onyo. Anya. Nyonya. Nomor 6. Hu. S-U-S, sus, khusus. He, L-A-F, love, he love. Nomor 8. Y-A-L, yao, hayao. Nomor 9. A-I-R, hir, akhir. Nomor 10. H-O-T, hot, B-A-H, bah, hot, bah. Okay, now we go to read Bahasa Indonesia for the sentences. Nomor 1. Monyet punya ekor. Nomor 2. Dia hanya bisa senyum. Nomor 3. Ada bunyi jangkrik. Nomor 4. Nyonya sedang nyanyi. Nomor 5. Api itu nyala. Nomor 6. Nyali adik besar. Nomor 7. Kue ini dari bahan khusus. 8. Abang sedang hilaf. 9. Dia sedang berhayal. 10. Papa sedang khotbah. Well, finally it's done for your reading tutorial. As usual, please don't forget to practice your reading and don't forget to send it to our WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye everyone.